What we're going to do first and foremost is differentiate. When you differentiate t cubed, what do you get, Declan? You differentiate t cubed.
2t to the power of 2.
3t2. 3 goes to the front, take 1 away from the power. What do we get when we differentiate t squared?
4.
The 2 multiplies with the 2 to give you 4.
4 oh,
And t1, you take 1 away from the 1 on. Well, you don't have to.
Yeah.
I'll just explain where it came from. Okay, can anyone in the class tell me when you differentiate minus 1t, what happens?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay, you're then asked to replace t with what, guys? Minus 1. 3 times minus 1 squared, minus 4 times minus 1, minus another 1 gets you what? What's the answer?
6.
6. Okay, that's question 5. Now, question 7. We got to differentiate this one. James, what's it down?
3. Oh wait, no.
When you differentiate 3h, you get?
3.
3. When you differentiate minus h squared,
Minus 2h.
bring 2 to the front, so minus 2h. When you differentiate
Minus 9 squared.
9h squared.
9h squared.
And then what do you replace all the h's with?
2.
2's. And you get, what you get when that happens?
3 minus 4.
Yeah.
Minus
36. 3 minus 4 minus 36, which is minus 37. Everybody right with that?
plus 8.
No, 2 squared is 4. 4 multiplied by minus 9 is minus 36. Okay. Now, question 8. Daniel, differentiate. You differentiate 20t, what do you get? 20. When you differentiate 5t squared, bring the 2 to the front, multiply by the minus 5, you get minus 10. 10t. Then what do you replace t with? 20. How are you finding them? Easy enough?
Beautiful.
Okay. Now, the way they get people is they leave in a pi. So people get confused when there's a pi involved. Okay? What I want to bring your attention to is I'm just going to quickly differentiate a couple of these for you. Start off quickly. Anybody tell me what happens when you differentiate x cubed? Bring 3 to the front, take 1 away from the power, 3x squared. Anybody tell me what happens when you differentiate kx cubed? Now bear in mind the k is just like a number.
3kx squared.
3 multiplied by k is 3k, and then x squared. Everybody happy with that?
Oh yeah.
Yes, Lynn?
If you were doing it, wouldn't you be multiplying? If you were to multiply out, like say k equals 2 and x equals 3 or something, wouldn't it be you put the 2 of them together and multiply it, and then
You square what x is, and then you multiply it with 3 and k.
so it's not intrinsically linked together.
Well, they're linked by multiplication. 3 multiplied by k multiplied by whatever x squared is. 3 multiplied by whatever k is multiplied by whatever x squared is. Okay guys, go one step further. Can anybody tell me what is 4 over 3 k cubed? How do you differentiate that?
3, 4 over 3.
3 gets multiplied by 4 over 3 becomes 4, and then take 1 away from the power? X squared. Now finally, can somebody tell me how to differentiate 4 over 3 k x cubed?
4kx squared.
4k gets multiplied with 3 becomes 12k. 12k divided by 3? 4k. So, what they try and do is they try and get you. Yes?
So then if there was a sum such as kxq squared, where would the squared go?
You wouldn't be asked to do that. It's like you're asked. What you're saying is what's a k x cubed?
No, kxq squared.
Q.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So then would the squared go to the x or the
Okay, I'll show you now. First of all, the squared belongs to the cube. Okay? That is, if I differentiate 5x, what's the answer? 5x, anybody? 5. Now, k and q is a constant times x. So what would be the answer if I differentiate that? It's the same thing, you just take the number that comes in front of the x. So the answer would be kq squared. It's whatever comes in front of the x would be left over. I think you're making it more difficult than it is. I don't think you'd be asked something like that with 2 letters and an x there. Okay, so let's have a quick look at this one here, right? First of all, differentiate v, what do we get? Now please remember the 4 over 3 and the pi is just a number. There's nothing wrong with that.
Pi or square.
Exactly. The VDR is multiply the 3 by 4 over 3, yeah?
12 over 3, which is 4.
4 pi, yeah. So 4 pi, and then take 1 away from the power.
Or squared.
R squared. Put in r equals 3.
4 pi 3 squared.
36 pi. Okay, so we're done with 8.2. So what